Hello everyone, welcome back to our Design a Camera tutorial. In the last video, we showed you how to assemble the camera. Sometimes, to better display our different schemes, we need to apply different configurations to one assembly, so that it would be more intuitive to view and more convenient to manage. ZW3D provides a config table function to help you achieve this task. As you can see, this is the assembly we completed. Now we want to show how it looks like when the flashlight jumps out and change the lens at the same time. Let's define the config of the part. Here, we can make use of the parameter we created at the part modeling stage. And define the length for different lenses. One is normal and the other one is longer. Next, let's go back to the assembly and add part config in color to define the different status of the lens. We name the new config as open and apply the long lens. Meanwhile, we can also apply different colors which represent different lenses. In addition, we can also define the configuration of constraint to better view the different statuses of the camera. As we want to show how it looks like when the flashlight jumps out, we need to find the constraint of the flashlight, add it and apply a proper parameter. Then we can apply our config and have a look at the different configurations. Click open and we can find our settings in effect. The color is changed, and the length is longer. The flashlight jumps out too. With the configuration in ZW3D, we can design different schemes in one assembly. This function will help improve efficiency. Stay tuned for the final part of our tutorial.